there was no shower here. This was the top of the wall here at the end of the tub, and this here is a wall that's been added, and they put this wall here, and then they added a shower head. So this never had a shower. It was always just a bathtub. And this, they added this wall and put on this wall board, and they glued it all up here. I've already torn some off. They glued it up here. They glued it all around, so I'm going to pull all that wall board off. The tile is the original green. I'm going to leave the tile, leave the tub, leave the toilet. As you can see, I pulled some off. They glued it up, so I got to repair this. Actually, what I'm going to do is bring tile up the rest of the way and tile up around the window there. And this will just be drywalled back here. That'll be painted. So, gotta put in a new ceiling fan. They have attic access here. That was too small of an access, so I put in a bigger access out in the hallway. And pull everything out of here. All this wallboard's gotta come out. It's nasty. It's yellowed. It's never been put in good to begin with. So that's coming out. Then yeah, tile here. I'll keep this tile. So it's just mostly a cosmetic thing in the bathroom. Redo the wiring, put in a new switch, put in new lights, new fan. I did find when I was working on the electric, they had, of course, this wall board was over the wall. You can see where it's been glued on. But this outlet here is an original outlet when they built the house. And there's the wire came down to this outlet, and they just had all the wires capped off. They were live wires sitting in the wall here. So I pulled those out. I don't like to have live electric wires hanging around in the wall, especially by a shower. So yeah, demo's gonna begin. Of course, we got the original green tub, green tile with pink wall. That's what they did to make it look like you're in Florida. From you moved down here from up north, you want it to look like you're in the tropics. So I'm going to kind of get it back to the original. Put some white tile up. I don't want the pink, of course. But it's going to be a lot of tearing out here. So let the tearing out begin. I'll show you what it looks like later.